Raccoon hyphen 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 Formers. What does that spell? Raccoon-Formers, yeah! Raccoon-Formers, the YouTube channel for all of your Transformer needs. Hello everyone, Raccoon-Formers here, and welcome to part 9 of 12 of my Transformers Generation 1 wall calendar review. You know what this means, right? It's the final single-digited episode of this 12-parted series. The final one. So it's definitely one I'm going to go all out on. Anyway, today is September 1st, which means I'll be cracking the calendar back open to take a look at September's page and everything that it has in store for us. And it also means school's back in session for most people, so you probably won't be able to watch this video on the day it premieres, but hopefully maybe during the weekend or a winter break or something, you'll be able to check it out. But school comes first, as everybody probably knows. Let's go ahead and check our list of the characters that we've already seen in this calendar. The last character we saw on August's page was Bumblebee making a grand return, which means the character we're going to see make a grand return for September's page will be the treacherous Starscream. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and crack the calendar open and see what brand new pose Starscream decided to uphold. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, I am so excited to see what brand new pose Starscream will uphold. Wait a second. This isn't a cool pose at all. It's so bland. Let's go back and check March's page real quick. Look at this. March's page has Starscream with a super cool pose, and September's page is all bland. I thought the first 6 poses were all bland, and the second 6 poses were super cool. I guess they switched the order of Starscream's poses to maybe go along with how sneaky of a character Starscream is. Maybe that's supposed to be an homage to that. If that's the case, it's pretty cool, but it's a bit weird. Let me know in the comment section below if you have any ideas of why that is. But despite that, it's still a pretty cool pose. Let's take a look at some of its details. He's just standing with his hands on his hips, looking all cool, like he's getting ready to give the Decepticons a command or something. And we've also got his phenomenal looking null rays on his shoulders, ready to attack. They look just like how his null rays do in G1.
Unfortunately, the operation is successful.
And in other medias like Transformers Animated.
The only reason you yammering metalheads are still online is because of me!
I love accurateness, don't you? The backdrop is the same as all the other Decepticon pages backdrops, and the red font returns for Starscream's name, and it looks like it's a bit hidden behind the picture of Starscream as well. Like if you take a look at the R in Starscream, the bottom part of it is somewhat hidden by those red things beside Starscream's head. That's a pretty cool idea. I love it. Turning our attention to the bottom of the calendar, we have a phenomenal looking, unfortunately non-Transformer-like September logo, but it's nice that we have something to let us know that this is September's page, otherwise it'd be pretty hard to know. And we also have 2 miniature calendars over here. We have the previous month, August of 2022, and the next month, October of 2022. And down below all of that, we have the dates, 1 through 30, because you know as the song goes, 30 days has September, April, June, and November. So it's good that this page has an accurate amount of dates, otherwise that'd be really bad. Behind all the dates is another phenomenal Decepticon insignia. It would have been nice if there was something revolving around each specific character, like I mentioned back with May's page when I talked about Soundwave. It would have been nice if he had like a musical note or something. But maybe for Starscream, it could have one of those purple devil emojis, since he definitely is devilish. I don't know. Let me know in the comment section below what you'd think would be best behind all the dates for just Starscream's page. Now, going back to all the dates, we also have all the holiday-like dates on the exact day that they occur in real life. We have first quarter on September 3rd, Labor Day on September 5th, full moon on September 10th, last quarter on September 17th, autumnal equinox on September 23rd, new moon and Rosh Hashanah beginning at sundown all takes place on September 25th, and Rosh Hashanah ends on September 27th. Overall, this was a pretty decent page of the Transformers Generation 1 wall calendar. It was a bit confusing on how the cool picture of Starscream came on March's page, and the bland picture of Starscream came on September's page. Like I said before, normally the bland picture comes first, and then the cool picture. But maybe they switched the two pictures around to kind of homage how sneaky of a character Starscream is. They wanted to do something with his two pictures that people wouldn't expect. If that's the case, that's pretty cool. But let me know in the comment section below if you know why they did that, or if you have any ideas of why they did that. Are you excited to see what brand new pose Grimlock will uphold? Well, you'll just have to wait and see next month. Well, friends, this pretty much wraps up this video review. Thanks for tuning in. Remember to click that big red subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on a future video. Let me know in the comment section below if I really went all out on the final single-digited episode of this series. I really tried. I really did. Let me know in the comment section below if I succeeded. Part 10 of this review, the first double-digited episode of this series, will premiere on October 1st. So make sure to rendezvous back here for that. I promise to go all out on that video as well, along with part 11 and 12. You'll want to rendezvous back here for all of them, I can assure you of that. Well, that's all I have to say. As always, I'm Raccoon-Formers, and I'll catch you next time. Peace.